Nice day out there, nice cool day across the valley. A lot of high clouds still streaming through the skies, but not going to see any rain today. Now, we do have a cold front arriving sometime later Thursday evening. You may see a couple showers begin to fall Thursday evening, but it looks like behind the front, a lot of clouds, rainy, kind of cold weather will settle in Friday, even kind of spilling into part of Saturday. So Friday's one of those days you probably won't want to be working outside unless you just like freezing and, being wet all day. We'll show you coming up here in Future Track. It looks very, very wet. Currently, it's in the 60s right now. If you're headed out for lunch, it's about 12:25. You got some time to eat. Temperatures on their way up. Should be hitting right around 70 or so, plus or minus a few degrees this afternoon, but it's already 68 in Brownsville and 63 in Rio Grande City. Now, wind speeds very, very light. They're kind of trying to switch around to the south, which I think will eventually be a very light wind from the south, but will help kind of make it a little warmer tonight. I think coming up this evening tonight will be a little warmer than the last several chilly nights, but still kind of cool out there coming up in the evening and overnight hours. But wind speeds around 5 miles per hour or less. Your day planner the rest of this afternoon kind of bumping up close to 70 by around 3 or 4 p.m. and then falling back through the 60s and 50s this evening. May not get below 50 tonight. I think with the slightly warmer air coming back from the south, we'll probably bottom out in the low to mid 50s tonight for lows and just some high clouds still thickening. Satellite radar shows all those high clouds coming in, but once again, too high and too thin to cause any rain. But Future Track, things could be getting kind of wet again. Here's what we have on Future Track. The rest of this afternoon, just kind of cool, somewhat kind of partly to mostly cloudy at times. And then tonight, still some high clouds coming through. There's a meteor shower peach tonight, but if you're watching yesterday around 6:30, I said you probably want to try to watch it last night because it's too cloudy tonight and probably too cloudy the next several nights as well. You see Future Track tomorrow, a lot of clouds kind of thickening as the day goes on, but mainly dry weather. Cold front gets here by a little after sunset or sometime late tomorrow evening. Notice along the front, there's maybe a couple sprinkles or showers, but then behind the front, what's happening is we have the cool air coming in, but then an upward level disturbance off to the west. We'll show you later on this hour, which is probably is going to really pump in the rain. And notice how on Friday, it's pretty much all rain all day, nearly everywhere in the valley. And this could be, not heavy rain all day, but light to moderate rain that just persists all day long. So you may get some good rainfall totals, not just sprinkles around on Friday. But you get the idea. Friday is probably going to be a day where it doesn't dry out very much at all. Future Track tries to show a little break Friday night. I think we kind of have a break between that one disturbance and then another disturbance coming through later Saturday. So this model runs out Saturday morning, but you can already see a couple showers around. I think there might be another wave of showers maybe sometime later in the afternoon or early evening on Saturday too. So Saturday may not be looking like a winner either. First 1.5 Future Track rainfall though shows as we go through Friday, notice the rainfall totals do add up. I mean, don't look specifically at the numbers, but you see that by Friday later in the afternoon and evening going into early Saturday, some areas have around an inch or more of rain. So again, it's not like heavy rain all at once, but maybe persistent light to moderate rain that eventually over a day or so adds up into some good rainfall totals. Dry today, 20% chance for a shower late tomorrow evening, and then we pump it up to 80% chance for rain on Friday. And again, probably steady rain most of the day on Friday, and some of that may be off and on again on Saturday as well. Probably have to throw in about a 40 or 50% chance for rain on Saturday. So the first 1.570 forecast, highs around 70 today, 75 tomorrow, but then temperatures really go down on Friday. It's possible we could spend most of the afternoon kind of in the upper 40s and just rain all day, a little windy or a little breezy. Saturday may not be as wet, but some showers could still pop up. I think maybe with another wave in the afternoon or evening, highs in the 50s. And then we do warm back up with mainly dry weather after that and highs closer to 70 by Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So we'll keep tracking those rainy days ahead coming up, especially again Friday. Friday's the day, and your first 1.5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.